in the competition. But anyway, if you have chance, and glance through this humanoid, how they play the games. All right, then humanoid got 2 days. The 2 day also got humanoids. All right, the first day and the second day. Okay, let's start now. So anyone who joined this is here. I think only the coaches is here. Oh yeah, got okay. All right. Okay, good. Okay. All right. Any other one who joined this competition one? Anyway, never mind. Those coaches who know that your student is joining one, we brief you now. Okay.
Okay, other students also that if you want to hear what kind of technical that you can learn also can
Yeah, nice to see you, Junpang. All right.
Okay. So as you all,
yeah, Josein, good.
Also here, good. So I think most of you that joining the humanoid robot they have some experience on how to controlling your robots, the humanoid robots. So the first autonomous penalty kicks is easier. So we will just put a ball in the penalty spot. Okay, so we have 2 rounds. So the first round here is 50 centimeter distant from the goal. Okay, the ball is 50 centimeter, and the robot starting point is also 50 centimeter to the ball. Okay, so depending on the first round, see how good are yours. So if everything is depend on the referee lah. If you think if they want to increase the challenge, so maybe in the second round he will increase the distance. Okay, both distance also maybe will increase or increase either one. Okay, so the robot, how to play the game is very simple. Your robot is power on behind the start point lah, just behind the start point, no need exactly on the start point. So the orientation you can adjust a bit. Okay, then you power on the robot, then the robot need to walk autonomously to the penalty spot. Okay, then kick the robot to the ball. Okay, so the robot can only kick once. So before the robot kicks the ball, the player are allowed to take back. If the robot is not go straight and you think that is already out of the ball, you cannot kick it, then you are able to take out your robots. Okay, then put behind the robot, put behind the start point manually. Okay, put behind the start point manually. This game also you have I think 2 minutes to complete the whole mission. So within that 2 minutes, you can try as much as possible. Okay, as much as possible. Before it kick lah, once it kick or touch the ball, then the round end. Okay, make sure it's before touching the ball. So in this technical, so I just want to show for those who are not so familiar with the robots one. So actually this robot, the most important is how to play on the motion. Okay, how to set up the motion, because if you refer to the example program, it's very, very long. So here I just pick up some important point that you need to, is the minimum coding that you need to apply on this for this autonomous penalty kick. First of all, you need to set up the motors. Okay, just for safety, we top off all the motor first. Then we set the operating mode to 3, which are the position control mode. Then we turn on the top of the Dynamicsol robot motors. Okay, here are the setup parts. Okay, these 3 lines are very important for set up the Dynamicsol motor for the humanoid robot. Then, since you know that the humanoid robot are controlling by the motions, so you need to make sure that your motion downloaded to your robot is the one that the robot that you built lah. For example, if you build the Max E1, make sure you download is the Max E1 motion. Okay, if you build that one is Max E2, make sure the motion is Max E2 motion. So for example here, the initial pose for Max E1, we use the 101. Then you just need to call 101 in the motion index number. Then use the wait while to wait until the motion done. So this line, which means this line, the meaning of this line is wait until the motion finish. Okay, the motion 101 finish. Okay, so here are the basic program how to control the motion of the humanoid robot. Secondly, for those who have the Kids 2, then you want to use the camera. So since you have the ball, the ball color, you can prepare your own ball color. You can prepare your own ball so that you can choose the color that you easily to detect. Okay, easy to detect. So for example, you use the green one. Okay, you detect the green color. So here is some setting. Okay, if you are using the Raspberry Pi camera in the Kids 2, when you start in your task code, make sure that you set up something like this. You need to set your camera. This one you follow the address. The address is 11. Okay, address 11 on the ID 201. You set to camera mode, which are 1. Okay, which is 1 for camera mode. And then you need to set the color. You can choose either which one is more similar, which one is detected on your ball. Okay, for example, if you use the standard tennis ball, maybe it's a green color. So you just choose the color is 4 and make sure you set to the address 55 on the ID 201. Okay, so after you run this code, and then inside your endless loop, you just need to read from the 60. Okay, address 60 is the color X. Okay, address 62 is color Y, which means X is the left right lah. So whether the color is detected in the image is left side or right side. Y is top or bottom, and color area is how big that detection. Okay, if the larger number, which means you're closer to the ball lah, because the area is bigger lah. Okay, so you can use these 3 values to do your strategy, how to control your motion. Okay, that part I won't show here lah. That part is depend on your coding lah. So I just show you how to use the camera only. Okay, first how to set up the camera mode, set up the camera color, then rate the color X, Y, and area. Okay, these are programming parts for the autonomous humanoid, autonomous banana cake. Then for the remote control United Soccer, as you see, you know that this one is just playing the soccer game remote control lah. Okay, just remote control. So what can you use is, of course, you can use the default program. Okay, default program, default task code with which means this one you need to link with the Engineer Kit, R+ Engineer apps lah. So you can see that's the original when you test it on, for example, the Max E1, this one Max E1, so that you already have the soccer mode. Okay, you can just press the soccer mode and then kick and control your robot with this. Okay, with the smart, if you don't want to change the program. Okay, but what if you think you don't like this interface, okay, or you want to use remote controller, then you can use back the task. Okay, you can use the task, very similar like the task that previously, this one not necessarily task 2 lah. You can use the task 3 also, the apps. I forgot it. This one can use task. So you can but the controlling, same thing. You use the remote con IXD, the U, D, L, and then control different motion. So that you can choose. Either you want to use the default one, or you use the phone. You try to modify your own for the remote control. Okay,
Okay.
Basically.
Right. Question. So for humanoid, the United, your partner is by draw lot lah.
Yeah.
So by lucky pick. All right. So no complaint.
Yeah.
All right. So how you are going to, cooperate or teamwork with your United, your teammate that you don't know him. Maybe will become a good friend one day. All right. Okay. So hopefully you all enjoy this game, humanoid. And those who have don't have humanoid one, you have a chance to see. So if you are thinking to upgrade, well, it's a good chances for you to ask and sharing, ask their opinion. Those who have played humanoid one during that day. Okay, hopefully you are not disturbing, but after the game, you can always ask them, what's their opinion by learning humanoid. All right. Okay. Any more question?
Anything you want to know more on the coding, or you want
Yeah.
to know more on the strategy or something, also you can ask. Okay.
And please remember that after today also, you can still always give the question. All right, thanks. Give the question on the Telegram, and remember, you can always join the Telegram because we have quite a number of members joining the Telegram already. But then question, you don't have to wait until we give the briefing. Okay, whenever you have question, you can post inside the Telegram group. All right, the Telegram group. All right. So where to get the Telegram? Well, so
You can see
let
my
Chris
background.
show you the QR code. All right. So you can screenshot the QR code and then just scan it. Then you are able to join the QR code. So behind Chris' background is the QR code, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You
So
just have to.
or you can just go to our website. This one is the rules on the website. Our STEAMCUP Malaysia. You can see if you scroll here.
Yeah.
See a QR code. That's the
QR code there. Right. So okay, one question in autonomous, can I use the motion drag and drop feature in the motion tab?
You mean during the competition that you're connecting with your robot and use the motion in Apra Sastri? You mean
for which game first? For which game? You mean humanoid?
humanoid? I think the autonomous.
Humanoid autonomous,
No.
Can I use the motion drag
You
and
mean
drop
you
feature?
use your you mean you're using your laptop and connecting with the motion, then you click play button, something like this, right? No.
I think.
Yeah.
Autonomous, that means that the robot have to self-running after you activate it.
Yeah.
Okay,
You need
after you
to run the task code on the robot, not linking with the motions, not linking with the remote control.
Okay, so the autonomous code have to download into your robot, and then once it's on, it got to be run by itself.
Yeah, cannot in this tab. In this tab, as I say, even when you want to use this motion, you just like just now, you just write it in the task code. You need to prepare the task code, then you run the task code to call this motion. This is the proper way to treat the humanoid robot.
By using this tab during the playing, it's still like a remote control.
Remote control.
Yeah, it's still a remote control. This one, I think the United Soccer is remote control, right?
Yeah.
But it's still not advisable by using this lah.
Because this one you need to they need to download when you play. They need to download and move. It's not.
Correct. Yeah,
I think
slow down.
I think it's acting in the autonomous lah, because previously the question is in autonomous lah.
Not to worry, if you have any technical question on doing that, you can always post in the Telegram group, like the QR code there. We will try to help you as much as we can, all right, in the technical side. All right, if you have facing any, not strategy, but on the how to technical on your robot, communication with your robot, all right, okay. Right. So these are the helping support that we can do from STEAMCUP Malaysia, that you are joining, the STEAMCUP and giving support us for the members that you already joined. So you can always learn some technical things during the competition time and ask as much as technical question as you like, and we will try to answer our best. We try to give you our best advise if we can, right? All right. Okay. So hopefully everyone you are happy with today briefing. I think we are okay with the time, right? We are okay with the
Yeah, it's
time.
okay. Still can
Not
continue.
so late.
Mm.
For these few games, because those who are able to join one for sure is the Smart Explorer and the Humanoid are not many a big cloud, but it's a very good challenge as a starting point. So hopefully you enjoy the game. Okay. All right. Any more question? If not, then we will end the briefing and wait for the next briefing that we will announce in the Telegram. I think for the second day, right? For the second day, the remote control one about the rules. And then maybe by that time, you'll be able to see the sitting or the placement. Okay. Then roughly that you will know how is the sitting, where is the position, and what are the rules the coaches need to know or the teacher during on the day game. Okay. All right. So thank you everyone. If no question, so we shall meet again in this online chat room. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Kwa. All right. Thank you everyone.